The Superman hold plus pull down combines a static back extension, Superman hold, with a dynamic arm movement to target the lower back, glutes, shoulders, and upper back, especially the lats and rhomboids. Step-by-step instructions. Starting position, Superman hold. 1. Lie face down on a mat with your arms extended straight overhead and legs fully extended. 2. Engage your core and glutes. 3. Lift your chest, arms, and legs off the ground at the same time. Hold this Superman position. Your body should form a gentle arc, with only your hips and lower belly in contact with the floor. Keep your neck in a neutral position. Gaze down. Pull down motion. 4. From the Superman hold. Bend your elbows and slowly pull your arms down toward your sides, as if performing a lat pull down. Your elbows should come down in a wide arc and point toward your hips. Squeeze your shoulder blades together as you pull, or hold the Superman while doing slow, controlled pull downs for a set time. Please check my next video.